Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my absolute favorite, salt and pepper chicken wings.
And let me tell you when it's done. Golden crispy on the outside, juicy inside with that fragrant peppery aroma. Oh, you will want to dive right in.
Alright, let's get started.
First, I'm going to score the chicken wings with a few cuts on the surface. This helps them soak up the flavor and also makes them easier to clean. Now sprinkle in about 2 tablespoons of flour. Rub it well into the wings. The flour helps absorb any unwanted smells. Keep rubbing until it feels a little sticky. Then add some water. Rinse them a couple of times and wash away all that blood water. Make sure you drain them really well. We don't want any extra moisture left. Next, let's get our aromatics ready. Smash up some ginger and garlic, a bit of cilantro and some green onion. Toss them into the bowl with the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, about 10 grams of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt and pepper powder. Now use your hands to really massage everything in. And don't just mix, twist those herbs as you go, so they release all their flavor. Once it's well mixed, set the wings aside to marinate for at least 20 minutes. While that's resting, let's prep our veggies. Dice up some red pepper, green pepper, and onion. Now the wings are ready. Remove the marinated solids. Make sure there's no water at the bottom of the bowl. Crack into eggs. Mix it all up. Then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and coat the wings evenly.
I've listed all the ingredients and amounts down in the description box. Go check it out if you need exact measurements.
Alright, time to fry. Heat up some oil. To check the temperature, just dip one wing in. If you see gentle bubbles, that's about right. Carefully slide the wings in. Don't stir right away. Let them set first, then turn them. Fry until they float to the top. Then take them out. Now let's do the second fry. Bring the oil up a little hotter. Toss the wings back in. And this time, it only takes about 30 seconds. Out they come, crispy and golden. Now, leaving just a bit of oil in the wok. Toss in our diced peppers and onion. Stir fry until fragrant. Then return the wings to the wok. Sprinkle over some salt and pepper powder. Give it a quick toss. And that's it. Look at that plate of chicken wings. Crispy, golden, and so inviting. Don't they look amazing?
Let me test one. Oh wow, crispy on the outside and juicy inside, packed with flavor. If you marinate them well, they are insanely delicious. Trust me, you've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.